Hey guys, welcome back to another Toyota maintenance guide. I'm not even sure what to call it yet. I'm just kind of spitballing every time here. So you let me know what you guys think of a title for this. So far it's Toyota maintenance guide, or Toyota Tacoma maintenance guide. So this one is about how often you should change your brake fluid. So this one also is on the manufacturer's recommendation for the maintenance. They recommend every 24,000 kilometers. Sorry, I messed up on the mileage. It's 48,000 kilometers or about 30,000 miles. Maybe I would look at it a little bit sooner though. Personally, I would just basically go by the color of it after checking it every now and again. I would probably do it around 30 to 35,000 kilometers, just because you always want good clean brake fluid in there, right? So I changed mine out with 72,000 on it about, I think it's 3 times already. I'd have to check all the paperwork, but I know for sure it's at least 3 times, because I do it when I was following my maintenance guide or whatever. I was doing it every second or third oil change, something like that. So basically what you want to do is you just want to keep an eye on your brake fluid as your miles get up there and see what the color is. And it's pretty simple to do. You can easily do it yourself. Siphon it out, suck out as much as you can, put new brake fluid in, you're good to go. It's pretty simple, guys. You can use one of those, can't remember the name, but I'll send you a picture of it right there. It's one of those plunger things or whatever. So you can do that and call her a day on it, guys. It's pretty simple for brake fluid. There's nothing special to it. It's more or less just visual. There is a smell, but it stinks in general to my eyes. So, yeah. Gross. So change it as the color changes is my opinion. So if it's pretty black at, say, brand new truck 2020 and at 20 some thousand miles, it doesn't look really appealing, take it out or get them to do it at your service and say, I need my brake fluid changed. There's no issues with it by any means. If you want to change, they'll do it. So it's all paid for as your maintenance, but if you're doing it yourself, you do it yourself. That's my recommendation for you guys on brake fluid. Like I said, I've changed mine about 3 times so far on 72,000. Haven't had an issue, but I have replaced my brake pads twice. This is on my 3rd set. I burned off my factory ones at about maybe 15,000 miles, 20,000 miles. Stupid error, I should say. So it's nothing to do with factory. That's me. Drums have been replaced as well. Both the shoes and drums. I was on a road trip and those got destroyed for some reason. I think someone forgot to actually look at them or adjust them, because once we took them off, all dust and everything. Half the shoe was gone, the other half was still on the drum, and there was still half a shoe left, I should say. So yeah, not good. But I guess in regards to the whole brake fluid thing with your brakes being checked, get those checked often if you tow a lot or off-road a lot. There's actually, on the Toyota US side, there's actually a specific maintenance guy for off-road guys and towing guys and stuff. But not everyone knows about this, so it's good to know, for me, if you hear about it. So I get my brakes checked every oil change. So that's every 10,000 kilometers or 8,000 miles, I guess it is roughly. So definitely keep up to date with that, because you want your brakes to last. You don't want to have any surprises of metal on metal like I did. I went down to nothing on my factory pads. I'm talking nothing. There was metal on metal contact. So still in the factory rotors though. So that's a plus at 72,000. So have a good one, guys.